This avatar you're watching, she's not real. She's AI and I made her in just minutes using free tools you already have access to. And the best part, while people are charging up to $20,000 or $50 for this, I'm showing you how to do it 100% free and how it can start making money for you while you sleep. Hey, I'm a Tech Digital,
and today I'm walking you through how to create your own realistic talking AI avatar that looks like human, sounds natural, and you can even replace it with your face or voice and requires no tech skills or expensive gear.
So the very first thing you need to do is just to go to your Google, right? So the way I did, I just look for an image that I'm going to use, right? So we are going to use this image to generate a prompt. Go to Whisk AI. So let's type that Whisk AI. As you can see it right here, you click on this first option, just give it a little time and it's gonna come up. So you click on enter to. So if you already have a prompt for your image, you can just do well to like paste the prompt here and generate your image. But since we don't have a prompt for the image we want to generate, I'm going to add an image for this app to give us a prompt. So you click on this add image, you click here to upload the image. Then I've downloaded several images, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick one of those image. So after successfully bringing up this image, so automatically this app is going to generate a prompt for this image. So after it has generated this prompt, so what I'll just do is just to go ahead and copy this prompt. So you just come here. So when you come here, you just need to paste this prompt and you make sure you click here to select landscape and you just go ahead to generate your image.
A few moments later.
Right? So I can see that this is giving already, guys. It's actually giving. If you don't want this very particular image, you can keep on regenerating to get what you want. Do you understand? I think these ones are still okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download every damn thing here.
Nah, that's just the face. Wait till you see how we make her blink, talk, and move. Trust me, it gets better from here.
So after downloading this thing, just for you to pick one of the image. One thing I love about this app is that like you can actually animate your picture directly from this app. I'm just going to pick one of those to work with. I guess let me go with this. Do you understand? You click on this animate. So when you click on this animate, you are going to give a description of how you want your video to be like. Do you understand? So I can just say, let's just give it this prompt and see what will become of it, guys. So guys, this is the video that this has actually generated for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this video. So if it's not what you want, you can actually go and re-download it, but I think this one is perfectly okay for me. So after downloading this video, we are going to use another tool, which is to make this face looks like you or I. Do you understand? So you're going to come to Remaker. Do you understand? Remaker AI, that's face swap. So when you come here, the first thing is just for you to accept every damn thing here. So you can see emails face swap right here. So when you click on that, you are going to choose photo or video swap. So if you are using a pro version, you can go for video swap, but for us that has a free version, we are going to make use of the photo swap. So we will now click on those multiple faces. Let's wait for that to actually come up. First of all, we have to sign up. So the first thing after signing up, you first of all bring the picture you want to swap your face. Then the next one, you are going to choose the picture you want that face to looks like. I actually uploaded the image, right? Then I've actually uploaded what I want this face to looks like, which is by adding my picture. So let's click on the swap. So you only have 4 credits to be swapping your picture. Let me pause this and resume it when I'm done, guys. So we are successfully swapped. I can't even laugh. Is it even fine? So, wow, this is amazing. We have successfully swapped this picture but it does not really look like me, but I think it's still fine. This is my face, it still looks like it. Do you understand? Then this is the original. I think this original image just fine. It's just fine, but we can still go with those guys. You never can tell, okay? So we have successfully swapped our picture.
And just wait, we're about to take it a step further and sync her lips with your voice or a studio quality AI voice that sounds like a real person.
You need to go to this app called DreamFace. This is where we are going to lip sync the avatar and add a voice to it. We're just going to click here to add your avatar. Do you understand? So let me go ahead and click on the first video I want to use and click on confirm. So while clicking on confirm, I assumed you already know the prompt you want to give it to say, right? If you have your own record desktop, you can actually click here to record, or you can click here to import, a voice, paste the prompt. Do you understand? So while I paste the prompt, I click on confirm. So the next thing is for us to add voice to our avatar. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this voice, and I'm going to click on confirm. The next thing, just to animate this, let's wait for that to be animated. That just click here to download, and it has been saved to our album, right?
And finally, let me show you how to actually make money from these AI avatar videos passively. Once you've created a few talking avatar videos, repurpose them for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Share tutorials, tips, or niche content using your AI avatar and monetize through affiliate links, sponsored tools, YouTube ads. You can even sell avatar creation as a service to small businesses or YouTubers. And there you have it, a full, free workflow to create a stunning AI avatar that talks, teaches, and earns for you. If this video helped you, comment AI ready below so I know to drop part 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Afatech Digitals, where we turn smart tools into real results for creators like you. I'll see you in the next one, and don't sleep on this.